Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll discuss my goals and aims for 2022, as well as explaining how I intend to achieve them. I feel it's important to document your goals to serve as a reminder and to keep you on track. I also think it's important to have a step-by-step plan on how you expect to reach these objectives. Remember that a goal without a plan is just a wish. Your goal is a future event. You exist in the present. So how you bridge that gap will determine whether you realise or fail that target. I like to have very simple, specific, actionable instructions on how to hit my goals. For example, if my goal was to pay off some credit card debt, it wouldn't be enough for me just to say, pay off credit card debt. I'd plan something along the lines of, pay off credit card debt by allocating 15% of my monthly salary for 10 months. It's simple, actionable, and specific. If I was to allocate 15% of my salary for 10 months, I would expect to hit my target. And this is the systematic approach I take with investing. So, that being said, what are my investment portfolio goals for 2022? My stock portfolio goal is to have £43,000 invested by the 31st of December 2022. And this table shows how I intend to achieve this. My current stock portfolio currently stands at £32,052.08. So I'm looking to invest £10,947.92 over 2022 in order to hit my target. When I get paid again in December, I aim to add another £500, and I'll add a further £500 during January and February. I do start a new job in February, and my pay increase will hopefully allow me to double my capital input to £1,000 per month. So in March, I'll receive my first full paycheck from the new job, and I aim to continue adding £1,000 per month for the rest of the year. So what I'm planning on doing is committing to investing an average of £884 every single month. I say average as some months I might not be able to invest the full amount, and other months I might be able to invest more. I do accept that this is an ambitious target, but as the old saying goes, shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. So even if I don't achieve this goal, I'll still be in a better position than when I started. And for me, building wealth is just all about progress and continually moving forward. My dividend yield is currently 3.32%. So, with £43,000 invested, I should be looking at going into 2023, looking to earn around £1,426 a year in dividends, or around £119 per month. A goal of mine that I've been working towards since I started my portfolio is to hit an average of £100 in dividends per month. At the current yield of 3.32%, this would need around £36,145 invested. So if I can stick to my plan, I would hope to hit this number in around May 2022. Obviously, receiving £100 per month wouldn't happen immediately, as I would need to be eligible for the dividends through the ex-day of the dividend. So it would depend when I actually bought the stock. But I am hopeful that by the end of 2022, I'm seeing some sort of consistency in my monthly amount at around the £100 mark. I think that hitting £100 a month in dividends will help to really ramp up the snowball effect of compounding reinvested dividends. So what am I going to be buying? Well, it's just going to be more of the same as I've done in 2021. As you can see from my holdings, ETFs make up around 30% of my entire portfolio, and I'm looking to push this to 40% over 2022. For the simple reason of just trying to protect my dividend income should there be any dividend cuts. With an ETF being a basket of stocks, the effect of one company cutting their dividend won't be as drastic as holding that particular individual stock. Then, as far as individual stocks go, I like to pick the large blue chip companies with solid dividend growth history, companies that I feel are still going to be thriving for decades to come. The only company that I don't own yet that I might do is probably Microsoft. If I'm being honest, I've been doing the silly thing of waiting for a good entry point, but frustratingly, I've watched it climb higher and higher. Over 2022, I'm likely to just start a position whatever the price, and then dollar cost average over the long term. There are some positions in my portfolio that I am looking to sell, mainly the ones at the bottom of the list that I haven't added to in a while. But as I refuse to sell at a loss, I'll just keep receiving the dividends and wait it out in the long term until I hit a price that I'm happy with. As an aside, these goals aren't set in stone and could change. For example, I might lose my job, so I might not have any cash to invest. Or the market might crash, so I'd look to invest much more than this. But those events are out of my control. A lot can change in a year, as we've seen, but this is what I'm looking to accomplish over 2022. I hope that you found this video interesting and informative, and I hope it's given you inspiration and ideas for your own personal finances. If you have, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss out on any future videos. And let me know what your 2022 goals are in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching. I hope you all have a nice holiday and new year, and I'll see you in the next video.